Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video I will give you some tips and tricks on how to learn how to do the typewriter. Now before I start, I'm assuming that you can do a pull-up. Okay, if you can't, then I can do another video on that. Right? But before we start on the pull-up, what I'm going to show you here is how we transition into the typewriter movement. Okay, basically it's a movement that you can do on a bar or you can do it on the ground. I'm going to demonstrate that to you now. So basically, go to your push-up position. Okay, so this is your ideal push-up position. What you want to do is you want to give it wider. Okay, so for starters, what you want to do is you're going to come back down, up, down, back up. Okay, so you want to go down, hold it up a little bit, start again, back up, right, back up. Okay, so that's the first step. Okay, to build that muscle and to get them engaged into those movements. Once you got that and you can do comfortably, say for example 5 on each side, transition to second one, which is again white stance here, coming down, straight arm, cross, so those are your starting positions. Once you start to build into that, you can do about 10, 12 variations of those. Then we can transition the same thing into the bars, and I'll show you how that is done as well.
Alright guys, so now we will be transitioning those movements onto a parallel bar. You can either use a pull-up or a parallel bar like the same movement. We can hang from the bars just wide of our shoulders. You can do an L-sit, but if you can't, that's okay. You just transition here just like that.
Like that, if you're comfortable with that, you put a bit of weight on it, back up. You can see how I position my legs. They're basically like you're sitting on a little chair. Back up. Yeah. Okay. So once you're comfortable with that move, you can add a little bit more resistance to your training. Okay. Do an L-sit. Back up. Down. Pulling up. Down. Okay. Finally, once you've got that big weight, come it down, and you can add some leg movement into this if you want to. You don't have to, but nice and easy. Right. Well, hopefully those tips are going to help you get to transition into a typewriter, guys. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Bye.